This vibrant, balanced dinner bowl has it all. Juicy lemon pepper chicken, fluffy rice and beans, tangy pickled onions, and creamy avocado. Protein, fiber, and flavor in every bite. Let's start with the chicken. I'll be using boneless, skinless chicken breast, but you can use any chicken cut you prefer. Cut the breast in half, cover with cling film, and use a rolling pin or a meat mallet to even it out. This makes sure the chicken cooks evenly and stays juicy inside. Place them in a bowl and let's season. Add in 1 tablespoon each of oil and fresh lemon juice for tenderness and a zesty kick, plus minced ginger and garlic paste for depth and aroma. Season with 1 teaspoon of cumin powder for warmth, 1 teaspoon of my homemade citrus herb seasoning for freshness, and 1 tablespoon of lemon pepper seasoning. And yes, the recipe for my homemade version is linked in the description box, and don't forget salt to taste. This simple marinade will give the chicken a zesty, peppery kick. Mix until all the chicken is fully coated. Cover and marinate for at least 1 hour to let those flavors soak in. Let's get cooking. Place the chicken breast on a hot pan evenly without overcrowding. Cook for 4 to 5 minutes until golden and slightly charred. Flip and let the other side cook through. For more flavor, add in a homemade compound butter to the pan. I've linked in the description a few of my favorite recipes. Let it melt and baste the chicken breast for extra richness. You can also throw in crushed garlic and fresh herbs for even more flavors. I'm using homemade roasted garlic and herb butter, so I'm sorted with that. Once cooked, let the chicken rest for 5 minutes, then slice it to your liking. The chicken is tender, juicy, and beautifully seasoned. Next, we make the 1 pot rice and beans. To a pot, add some cooking oil. Add in the red onions and cook until soft and golden brown. Add garlic and ginger paste and saute for a minute until fragrant. Now add the pre-boiled beans and thinly cubed carrots. Mix until well combined. To season, I'm using 1 teaspoon of cumin powder for warmth, 1 teaspoon of turmeric for color and earthiness, 1 tablespoon of my homemade garam masala for that bold Kenyan flavor, plus salt and pepper to taste. Mix until everything is well incorporated and cook for a few minutes for the spices to bloom. Add in 3 cups of washed rice and stir to coat. Pour in 4 cups of chicken broth for richness and 2 cups of water. You can use all broth, but I don't have enough today. Mix everything together, then cover and simmer on low for about 12 to 15 minutes. Turn off the heat and let it sit for 10 minutes before uncovering. The rice and beans are fluffy, aromatic, and packed with so much flavor. Now let's serve our dinner. Scoop the rice and beans into a bowl and flip it over the plate if you're feeling fancy. Add the sliced lemon pepper chicken breast neatly on the side. Top with some homemade pickled onions for a tangy crunch and creamy avocado pieces for balance. Drizzle over the butter sauce from the chicken for extra flavor. And there you have it, a balanced dinner bowl that is colorful, nourishing, and so satisfying. Perfect for meal prep, a weeknight dinner, or anytime you want a bowl that is easy to make and packed with flavor.